Okay. See, after defining non-metal, let us discuss some physical properties of non-metals. One thing that you need to understand, the physical properties of non-metal is just opposite to the physical property of metal. Means whatever the characteristics or properties, either physical or chemical, of metals is opposite to non-metals. Let us see. First property is non-metals are generally soft. We will discuss exception after discussing property. Okay, non-metals are generally soft. Second one, non-metals do not have a metallic luster. Non-metals do not have a metallic luster. Okay, let us metallic luster. Okay, see, next property is third, which is hardness and strength. Non-metals are generally not so hard and strong, so they are generally soft. Okay, third, non-metals are not malleable and not ductile. Okay, non-metals are neither malleable nor ductile, they are brittles. Okay, non-metals are neither malleable nor ductile, they are brittle. If you put a hammer on it, they are broken. Okay, brittle. Okay, now see the next property of non-metal. First of all, if you want to revise the all properties of non-metal, see, non-metals are generally hard, they are not so strong. Okay, their strength is so weak due to intermolecular force of attraction between the molecules of non-metals. Second, the non-metals do not have a metallic luster, they have not shining surface. Non-metals are neither malleable nor ductile, they are brittle. Okay, let us talk about another property, which is conductivity. Okay, so non-metals are bad conductor of heat and electricity. Fourth property is non-metals are bad conductor of heat and electricity. Okay, heat and electricity. If you talk about another property, which is sonorous, so non-metals are not sonorous. Non-metals are not sonorous, means it don't produce a ringing sound whenever you strike with something. Okay, non-metals are not sonorous. Non-metals are not sonorous. Okay, let us talk about another property, which is melting and boiling point. So non-metals have low melting and boiling points. Non-metals have generally low melting and boiling point. Low melting and boiling point. Okay, see carefully all the physical properties of non-metal. So you observe one thing, the physical property of non-metal is overall opposite to the property of the physical property of metal. First property is non-metals are generally soft. Second, non-metals do not have a metallic luster. Third one, non-metals are neither malleable nor ductile, they are brittle. Fourth one, non-metals are bad conductor of heat and electricity. Non-metals are not sonorous, and non-metals have low melting and boiling point. Okay, so these are the physical quantities of non-metals. After this, we will discuss about some exception in physical properties of non-metal. Okay, see there are many exceptions in physical properties of non-metal. Okay, see, first exception is all non-metals are not lustrous except graphite. Okay, non-metals do not have a metallic luster. All non-metals do not have a metallic luster. Okay, metallic luster except graphite. Okay, so graphite is the exception in this property. Graphite is a exception in this property. Okay, let us talk about another exception. Okay, so all non-metals are generally not so hard and strong, means they are generally soft. All non-metals are generally soft. Okay, soft except diamond. Okay, diamond is a non-metal which is hardest substance present in nature. Okay, so diamond is a exception in this property. It is the hardest substance known. Okay, see, third exception of non-metal. In conductivity. We know that all non-metals are bad conductor of heat and electricity except graphite. All non-metals are bad conductor of heat and electricity. Heat and electricity